Hello everybody, Scouts Train Spotter 1999 here, and welcome to Wakefield Westgate, situated on the Leeds branch of the East Coast Mail Line. There is 155343 terminating in and then going to the sidings before forming a service to Huddersfield, and just arriving in, we have a 90. This will be forming the 1008 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Leeds from London King's Cross. 90019 multimodal. And some additional information which probably no one will care about. 91110 brought me in from Leeds. Well, it was only a tenner for first class, I decided why not. So then, let's see what shall arrive and depart here at Wakefield Westgate. Enjoy, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, departing now is 90019 with the slightly late 1008 Virgin Trains East Coast service to Leeds. This is its last intermediate stop. So yeah. So there that goes, we'll catch the DVT on the rear. So this is about 3 minutes late, obviously, because that's only permitted to 110, which is quite a nuisance. So but I think it's because the 91s are getting work done, probably better pantographs, you know. I mean, a few days ago the bloody wires came down at Grantham again. So at the rear DVT, okay then, we have 82-229, and there that goes into the distance. So while I've not said it, today here at Wakefield Westgate you will be seeing services by Virgin Trains East Coast Northern and Cross Country. There's also freight back here, well, supposedly, but I don't know. You say that and then they probably don't turn up. Okay, 155343 is now departing to Wenthorpe sidings. That will be coming out rather soon. That will terminate in, then form the 1044 to Huddersfield, if I am not mistaken. It's good to be back here, isn't it? Oh, another London King's Cross service, eh? Okay, just arriving in now is going to be a Virgin Trains East Coast Intercity 225, arriving in from Leeds, going to York. This will be the 1018 to York. I said London. Oh, what the hell's going on with me? So we have 82-209. Oh, and it's having a wee. One of the coaches is having a wee. Oh well. And there's the sound of a beautiful 91, which is 91121. Okay, just pulling in slowly over there is the 1019 Northern service to Leeds from Sheffield. It's a nice little 158. If I can see the numbers, I can't. Okay, it's 880, and while departing, as that arrives, we'll see 91121 and 82-209 now departing with the 1018 Virgin Trains East Coast service to London King's Cross from Leeds. As Jamie said, quite rightly so, that sound you will not get on an Azuma. You will not. That is a word of elegant hellfire. And it looks a lot prettier than the Zoom, I'll tell you that. I would rather... I'm not going to go there, let's just not go there. Okay, leaving now is 158 something something something. I'll catch the numbers when you get closer. To Leeds from Sheffield with a 10:09 Northern service. I think the next stop is Outwood, or it's going to go straight on. Okay, it's 8:60. Via Mortham. Seems like a proper Yorkshire place, that. Cocker. Should I be called that now? Yorkshire Train Spotter 1999. Cocker. Should I be called Yorkshire Train Spotter 1999 instead of Scarf Train Spotter 1999? Okay, arriving in now is going to be a cross-country Voyager from Glasgow Central to Plymouth. It's going to be a Voyager service, only a 4-car. It might be a 221, but the 141s. 220-022. And that will be the 10:24 service. I still think we should run HSTs on this route. You just do. It's not right. Okie dokie, departing now is 220-022 with the 10:24 cross-country service to Plymouth from Glasgow Central. This service will be going via Sheffield, Derby, Birmingham, Bristol, Exeter, then arriving in Plymouth. Probably about another 4 and a bit hours. Oh, there it is. Go, 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 come on. And there it goes. Finally. Okay, arriving in now should be another 322. This will be forming in 10:34 Northern service to Doncaster from Leeds. This will be the stop-in services. It's 322-482. Ooh, posh. Okay, departing now is 322-482, making pretty much the same noise as a 319. Sounds the same as a 319. No. 319s are more hellfire.
319s have a higher pitch for it.
Yeah, they do actually.
The 321 were and the 322 were. Reminds me of being a kid again. They were 321s all the time up to Shenfield and that.
Fair enough.
And Southend. Oh, the trips to Southend on one of the 321s.
So that'll be the 10:34 to Doncaster from Leeds.
10:36. Nothing's leaving on time tonight.
I know.
Wow. Anyway, we'll catch next service to Rising.
Okay, arriving in now is going to be the 10:38 Virgin Trains East Coast service
Of course, when the Azumers come through,
to Leeds from London King's Cross. Well, you do run to Bradford Forster Square.
That's what I was saying.
Oh, I love this sound. Oh.
Yes.
91-109. Sir Bobby Robson, if you can't see that. Okay, departing now is 91-109 with Sir Bobby Robson on the front, and that should be going any second now.
Sounds like it's fine.
Oh, there you go. No, you're not a crane enthusiast if that.
No, you're a plastic enthusiast.
Exactly. You should work at a plastic factory.
See, people keep saying to me, why do you hate the 800s? I really couldn't put it into words, but I think I've just worked it out. It's
what?
that, as nice as they look,
they don't look nice.
HSTs and these with
I mean,
roads is stupid.
I mean, I don't mind HSTs getting replaced, like, of course I don't. But if you want to replace something, it has to be an improvement. That is not an improvement.
I mean, the 802's replacing the 350s up at TransPennine. That's an improvement.
That's an improvement.
Desiros are boring unless they're 700s. But
350s are actually okay. I'll give them the due.
I have different opinions, especially the slash 4s. I don't know.
I like the slash 4s though.
I hate the livery.
I like it. And 82-210 on the rear.
Ah, she was the one sitting at King's Cross 2 platforms down from me. God, she must have sat there for ages.
Probably came in from depot.
Yeah. But again, if you can tell me the Azuma is justifiable to replace that, you know. I was saying to people that what they should have done.
Okay, just arriving in now is going to be an ECS from Wenthorpe Sidings to here. 155343 returning again. This should be doing a quick loading thing and then straight away going to Huddersfield with the 1044 Northern service. To Huddersfield. I quite like them actually. 1.5. Okay, there goes. Nice bit of clag with 155343 with the 1044 Northern service to Huddersfield from here. They're coming to us, I think.
Normally when a company down south loses their trains, it either goes to Northern.
Okay, just arriving in now is going to be the 1047 cross-country service to Edinburgh Waverley from Plymouth. Oh, sorry, my nose is completely feeling dead. And there that arrives in. No. Okay, departing now is going to be the 1047 cross-country service to Edinburgh Waverley from Plymouth. I prefer the Virgin livery.
Yeah.
Looks bay.
The interior is still Virgin.
Yeah, but you've just robbed that.
The interior looks crap.
I know. You just copied.
Money into them, but they don't have money to pay.
Oh yeah, it's a Riva. Yeah,
It's all been spent on flipping
exactly.
It is 220.
It is 220 001, the first one built. Probably.
Cross-country don't make interiors. They changed the Central Trains 170s to their own interior. Why can't they do it for the 220s? Oh, that's right, they're lazy.
Yeah, they are. They are. And anyway, 170s are hellfire, so they deserve to get changed.
That's true. Okay, crash next service arriving.
Hopefully, back some in Scotland.
In.
Okay, arriving in now is going to be a 322. This will be forming the 1055 Northern service to Leeds from Doncaster. I can't see, I'm blind.
It is 32248.
Alright, 322485. If you're wrong, I'm going to stab you. Because I'm a
They have like 8 of these, don't they?
6, I think.
6. Remember, 5 is now leaving.
Okay, 322485 is now leaving with the 1055 Northern service to Leeds from Doncaster.
Oh, I love that noise.
It is a good noise. 90s Hellfire.
Yes, Braille units.
Exactly.
Braille units are just there.
Yes. And guard there doing a spot of window hanging.
You know, I don't like the 319s down at Thameslink, but
I was going to say you were going to say
still Brel, and they are still gorgeous trains. And as much as I hate them, I'd pick one over a Pacer and an Azuma.
Well, I'll pick a Pacer over an Azuma, I'll give you that.
Oh yeah, I'd pick anything over an Azuma.
Exactly. Because a Pacer actually has character, even though it'll kill you.
It's got character, just not a good one.
Exactly.
It's got the character of being...
Yeah, it's like, yeah, it's a nasty character, but it's got a character. That's what I like about it. Okay, arriving in now is our final train of the day. It's going to be the 11:23 cross-country service to Plymouth from Dundee. On the front of it, God, it does approach at speed. We have 43,301. And also 43,207. And we'll watch that depart shortly. Okay, leaving now is 43,301 and 207 with the 11:23 cross-country service to Plymouth from Dundee. And there goes the whistle, and hopefully it goes.
No, I'm going to say it now. Best modern livery on HST could be that. I don't know. Is that or Virgin Trains East Coast?
VT is the best. Virgin Trains East Coast is by far.
Nathan Midlands Trains East Coast.
And it's not bad.
No, oh no, wait, hang on. Great Western Railway green.
No, I don't like that very much.
You don't?
It's plain. It's just green.
It's a nice green.
Yeah.
It's smart too. That's the thing. I like smart on HST. It's a smart train. But it's going at speed. Actually, you know that doesn't look good because it's not smart enough. I don't
Exactly.
know. It's too childish cross country.
Fair enough.
This is me deciding whether I like it.
Yeah.
Take a while.
So
They could put their logo on it a bit more.
make it a bit bigger.
They've got 2 logos per coach and 1 lead power.
Could do. So as that leaves off to its next station, most likely of Sheffield, I shall conclude my video there. So thank you ladies and gentlemen for watching my Wakefield Westgate video. I do hope you have enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, feel free to like and subscribe. Any comments, questions, anything about my channel, any station recommendations, all that jazz, leave it in the comment section and I'll get back to it as soon as I possibly can. So Wakefield has been a great revisit. I've visited here once before, quite a while ago, but it's been good to collect the cross-country HST. Also the 90 as well on the run. And yeah, you know, it's going to be really fun. Next station will be Leeds, just up the line. And then, yeah, so hopefully I'll enjoy that as much as I did last time. So here today with me was JD the Train Spotter, so please visit his channel and subscribe to him if you enjoy his content. So then, for me here at Wakefield Westgate, I shall see you all in Leeds next time. Take care and goodbye.